Hey, welcome back to the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. I want to do a little wolf pack chat here based on some of the posts that you're seeing me put up here. I want you to understand exactly what's going on. I said earnings were up today, so many are going to become exit liquidity. However, if you were following the charts here, then you know what is likely coming. I didn't say definitely coming, I said likely. The last time we saw momentum break down like this was January 2022 and the first week of March 2020. Another analog was 2008. My post before that, Market Wolf family, the S&P 500, we're looking at a larger breakdown, which means Bitcoin will be looking at a larger breakdown because if you don't realize it, the S&P 500 and Bitcoin, if you bring up a chart of those two together, they do generally run together. Bitcoin does run with the rest of the market and responds to the same type of volatility. Right now, the S&P 500 is front running Bitcoin. Okay, this one fold week over week. SPY has passed the point of retest. Now, there is a secondary retest, which would be a deeper retest, but would also not violate the larger uptrend on the higher time frames. So it's possible the S&P 500 could catch support there, which also means likely that Bitcoin would catch support at still in a range where we could get a good bounce up at some point, even if we have a larger breakdown. So I will be watching that and I will be keeping an eye on that for you, and I will let you know if I see that coming. Uh, so yeah, that's what we're looking for there. Quant, Trias, my people, understand that this is going to affect us as well on the charts. And so as far as getting into details, I'll do that in another video where I look at some potential areas where you might consider averaging down as we retest more major levels, if that's something you want to do. I am not a market advisor. I don't do that kind of thing, but I know for me personally, I'm going to average down on quant, and then I'm also going to be looking to buy the blood in other areas of the market. Other news here that I was posting today, the IMF is telling the US our spending is out of control and we need to get our crap straight. That's essentially what they're saying. To service the current, it should say debt, okay? It's going to exceed military spending and Medicare this year. So, that's what this chart is showing. That is this year. That's not, 5 years from now. So we're on the verge of a very, very major, serious crisis here. Um, Now, will the market continue to melt up after a bigger correction? That's possible. Again, these are all things I'm going to keep my eye on for you. Stick here with the Market Wolf. Look back at my past history. I'm hardly ever incorrect about these things. When I am, I let you know. Now, the type of thing we're talking about here that's going to unfold, we're talking about in the weekly time frame. Okay, so this isn't going to happen tomorrow. This isn't going to happen all at once. It could take like 8 weeks. Okay, 8 weeks is 2 months. So what I'm saying is just stay frosty, keep your eyes open, keep your ears to the ground, be a wolf in the market. I'm not a bear. I'm not a perma bull. I'm a wolf. So don't forget, I've been bullish when it's time to be bullish. I become bearish when it's time to be bearish. And that's how we make the money. We will see you next time on the Market Wolf.